this is Michelle from $1 Million Home Decor. Today we're going to do my restoration hardware inspired master bedroom tour. That's the sofa I have in my bedroom. I'm going to start here. This is actually a copy idea I got from producer Michael's video. One of his videos, one of the houses he was considering moving into, had a sofa at the end and 2 chairs. I said, I can do that in my bedroom. This is a pretty good sized bedroom. It's a 2-level condo that I live in. And let me show you the sofa. This sofa came from the At Home store. They have so many great dupes. It's just unbelievable. And the pillows are, I'll show that in a second. So this is the sofa. And this is the bedroom. Yes, that's the sofa at the end, the top of the sofa. And this is the bedroom. Let me come over here so you can see the whole thing. Get my thumbs out the way. This is a bedroom with the crystal, or the inspired crystal chandelier, I should say. Doesn't look like $1 million. This is the one from the Home Depot. I'll put the link below. It looks absolutely amazing with the lights off and the windows open. It looks like $1 million from outside. I mean, it looks like I spent like $3,000 on it. Now, the pictures on the side are restoration hardware. Very large, oversized, like a, what does this say? I'll come a little closer. Like the Royal Crest photos that they have, pictures that they have. This is actually very, very large. I got it at the floor sample sale. It should still be on the website for $795. I think I paid like $225. This is an amazing dupe of the Focal Cup or Restoration Hardware desk chandelier. Looks just like it. The place I got it from, they stopped selling it. I've been searching and searching and searching to try to find another. It looks like $1 million. I mean, these are real crystals. And some of this came already attached. The crystals already attached. Some I had to put on here. But this is an amazing dupe. It's amazing feeling to have these crystals. Now, this upholstered bed came from Ashley Furniture. Yes. Ashley Furniture store. Very comfortable, luxurious dupe of the restoration hardware bed. It's very tall, it's 69 inches tall, so it's pretty good height. And these pillows came from, these are home, let's see, I have it on here. Oh yeah, Rodeo Home pillows. You can kind of chop filled with feathers, and I have 2 large king size pillows in the back. And gives it that great look. You would never think that you could have this. This is a full-size sofa. Everybody has space at the end of the bed. You can always have a nice sofa at the end of the bed, or 2 chairs, or a love seat. You just have to plan out this whole wall over here. See how it's empty? I'm eventually going to have an IKEA pack system on this wall. But look at this. This is like a little picture holder that keeps somebody made for. Look at this. You know what this is? It's a designer inspired Birkin bag. I have it on my a video about it. So I unboxed it. This bag looks like $1 million. I ordered it in black, I ordered it in red. Trust me, this is very nice. What makes it designer inspired, it doesn't have any logos of the name of the company or anything like that. It's just the look and feel of the real one. I added this on. I had it on the designer dupes handbag video as well. These scarves came in a pack of 12, so I picked a pack of 12 that would match this handbag. I ordered, you see now, I ordered the black one. I'm going to do another video on that. Ordered a red one. Each one I'm going to do a video on for unboxing. And these ponies, these are real lambskin leather. This came separately as well. And I have a background in e-commerce and styling videos and selling stuff online, etc. So I knew I wanted to put the whole look together. It also comes with a wallet. This is my real pocketbook. You see, it comes with a wallet. So this is fab. I mean, I can't wait to have this one here. Then I'm gonna have the black one there and the red one there, and maybe get another color. And this might be, you know, here. This is another. See if I can put it up here. So you can see it. Designer dupe of the Hermes scarf that I have a video on as well. You can see it right there. So now this right here, this is a story behind it. This is a real Chanel. I don't know if it was a table throw or a banner, but it's from a department store that was closing. Local department store that was closing. So I said, hey, guess how much I paid? $5. Only paid $5 for it. So I said, hey, maybe I can use this to make it like a chair cover. You know, this is my whole sectional seating area right here, okay? This is another look of that. This is a tufted chair also. See the same look that I got from the At Home store. And I got all of these things delivered via Uber XL. If you ever trying to figure out how can I get this stuff delivered when you see it at the store, call Uber XL. They have a service now that will do it for you, but Uber XL may be less expensive since it's just a trip. I got 2 of these. Actually, I got 4. I sold 2 online, and I kept 2. I got so many things, you guys. I got the Chanel beauty chairs. The makeup chairs, when they were closing, I sold those for $300. So when these stores are closing, look for these pieces behind the makeup counter that are real Chanel. And have that look. This is the real Fiddly Ficus tree. Isn't it beautiful? It started kind of like right here, and it grew up. This is real. This is the real thing. So if you have one, try to put it caddy corner. It'll grow better, like so the sun can kind of hit it from different angles. Now turn it around so this one could grow as tall as this one. I also have room in my master bedroom for it's like a box window. So first I was going to put my desk in here, but I would have to take the door off the hinges again, and I've done that 3 times already. Isn't that beautiful? You can see the look of Restoration Hardware. Tell me that does not look like $1 million. This is Home Depot. This one is plastic. Only thing on here crystal is this little piece. This is an amazing dupe. I had this installed when I moved into my condo, because I wanted all my fixtures installed. This is, I mean, I'm going to have another one installed probably. I like this so much, I could even put it downstairs in my living room instead of the ones that I have. Tell me that looks like. Anyway, this is wasn't to put my desk here, but I took my desk out of my home office. I put it outside my bedroom door because taking the door off the hinges again is too much. So I put the ottoman that was over there, and then I put that over here. This came from the At Home store. Isn't it beautiful? These are some Chanel. You didn't know Gucci made a great book. These are the curtains I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is the pretty close to custom curtains you're going to get for the price. They have a nice backing on them. And this is just a look at it from this angle. And down, so I put here. So can you imagine when I get my IKEA PAX system on that wall? That's just going to be fabulous. And then I'm going to have all designer inspired handbags in the middle. Now one more thing, this is my vision board that I created. Isn't it fabulous? I can't believe I did this. When I was, I wanted to do something like a 3D vision board, something different than a regular vision board, so I got these from the dollar store. This is like a Command Performance kind of, hook. So I wanted one that would match the wood. See? It says follow your heart. I got this after Valentine's Day was over because I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm going to meet and marry my soulmate. We're married like a match made in heaven. These are all like, see how it peels off. Now this frame came from Harbor Lobby. I didn't want to use any inexpensive, what do you call it? You know, like cardboard. I want to use like a real frame. The butterfly is beautiful. Doesn't it look real? I got all these from the dollar store. Miracle time. Believe in yourself. That's how you make your dreams come true. This is my dream car. Lamborghini Urus. Yellow, just like this. Fabulous. Doesn't this thing look like it's real? Like reach out and touch? And I have a little Coco, little poodle. And this is another condo I want to buy. Luxury condo with a private elevator. Okay. The building's coming up now, so this is a real Rococo crystal chandelier right there. Get some more stick-ons off from the dollar store. See, this was a, ooh, what are the butterflies go? This was a Christmas ornament. I said, hey, this is like a neat 3D vision board piece. So, and I put it on a hook. See, it goes right on there. The butterfly beautiful. This is a London bus travel. This is another sticky, like London bus. Follow your dreams. Believe in yourself. Don't give up. There's the Cartier, real Cartier watch that I have of a video. I just remembered I have it on. Of a designer inspired Cartier watch. This is it right here. Get the lighting right. You know, it's hard to get the lighting right on these things. Doesn't that look like $1 million? There you go. And this is a designer inspired Cartier bracelet as well. All this on my other videos on my website. This is just a close-up of the bed, the tufting. You can kind of see the quality. This is Ashley Home Stores, links below. This is another view. Oh, I almost forgot Coco's room. This is just some pictures, Chanel pictures from at Home Store. Alright, this is Coco's room. It's my miniature poodle. Somebody's got a shopping problem. She's a female, so you know, I wanted to bring her back to Poodleville. So these are all her little dresses that I have for her. And just want to make her, you know, happy and try to give her energy, you know, wake her up so she won't be sleeping all day. See? It's a little picture I got for her dog room. Well, this is a tour of the Restoration Hardware Inspired Master Bedroom Tour. Smash the like button if you like this video. I love interior design, designing things, changing things around. Restoration hardware, you know, architecture, real estate, fashion. So those are the kind of things you get from my channel, and really appreciate you watching, and try to share this with someone, get some inspiration. I'll put the links of everything that I can below. And keep watching. Check out my other videos. I have a lot of different videos. Shop with me and things like that. Have a great day. Keep watching.